Hello all, I'm back with another simple recipe, Bandhakopi Bora, aka cabbage fritters Bengali style. But I'm going to make my own way, that's the keto way. So the ingredients you need is shredded cabbage, which you have to salt and leave it for 15-20 minutes and then drain the excess water. You will also need half an onion sliced, chopped ginger, a tablespoon, turmeric powder, half a teaspoon, chopped green chilies according to taste, kalu jeera, nigella seeds, half a teaspoon or 1 teaspoon, and you need salt according to taste. For the binding, you will need almond flour, a cup of almond flour, and 2 eggs. If you don't want to make the keto way, you can use half cup of all-purpose flour, that is maida, and half cup of rice flour. So let's start making the recipe. Before you start, make sure you have your oil in the karai heating up. So I have the cabbage here. First I'm gonna use the turmeric, kalu jeera or nigella seeds. I'm gonna add the onions, the ginger, and the green chilies. Since I have already salted the cabbage before, so I'm not gonna add the salt now. I will taste for the seasoning after I add everything, and then I will see if I need more salt. Mix it all together. Add half of the almond flour, and 1 egg. And mix. Add the other egg. And the rest of the almond flour. And mix again. So the mixture looks like this. Before you start frying all of them, just do a test. Just fry a little and see if it holds. If not, you might need to add more egg or almond flour as needed. I'm just gonna do 3 at a time so it's easier for me to flip. This one is ready to flip. So here I have the final presentation for you. I have served it with spicy mayonnaise, which I just whipped up real quick with mayonnaise and sriracha. And you can enjoy it with any sauce of your liking. It goes very well with ketchup, or you can eat as Bengali eat with dal, bhat, or Bandhakopi Bora. Thank you for watching.